Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn Hungarian braided chain stitch. This is a very beautiful broad border stitch that can be applied for calligraphy. Here I have written the name Preeti. I will show you how to apply this in this letter I. Insert the needle at the tip and make a small stitch on the line like this. Now bring the needle out at the point just below the stitch. Pass the needle through the stitch from one side to the other side and take it below the fabric at the same point. Again bring the needle above the fabric on the line just below the stitch and pass the needle through the same stitch from one side to the other side so that you will get two chains in the same point. Now loosen the outer chain so that the inner chain will be visible. Bring the needle above the fabric just below on the next point on the line. Insert the needle through the inner chain and let the outer chain be below the needle. Tighten the stitch using your left hand and pull the thread take it below the fabric on the same point. Again bring the needle above the fabric and pass the needle through the inner chain. The outer chain will be outside the needle. Pull the thread and take it back at the same point. Once again, insert the needle at a point below and bring it above. Now pass the needle through the inner chain. Just loosen the outer chain and pass the needle through the inner chain like this. Let the outer chain be below the needle. Now tighten with your left hand and pull the thread. Take it back at the same point. Repeat these stitches again and again throughout the letter I, and it will look very beautiful. We can use this stitch for broad borders and for alphabets like this. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.